Guys, it is Omari here, and today I'm gonna be showing you DIY clay, aka or Play-Doh. But guys, if you like this video, make sure you Hadouken the like button to show you can. I really just messed up when I said Hadouken, but that was a Shoryuken instead of a Hadouken. So never mind. But guys, these are the utensils that we're gonna be needing. Gonna be needing some lotion, baby oil, baby oil, some dye, and some flour. Now, let's get into the video. I don't know where to put the camera, but I'm gonna figure out now. Well, I'm just okay. I found one. So let's get into it. All right, guys. So the first thing you want to do is take this, open it, and pour it in there, like so. Not that much. There we go. You won't be needing that anymore. Now, take your flour. Oh, wait. Before you do that, get your dye. Let's try to mix it around. Like, put some drops in there. And then mix it up with your mixer. Like, I'm just gonna use the tip of a spoon because I don't have any other mixer. Yeah, I should have added more drops because the lotion is pink. Yep, let's see what color this turns out in. Oh, it's changing into a green. Just mix it thoroughly until everything turns green. Now, as you can see, this is what I got. It's supposed to be green. Well, it is green. It's just from your perspective, it doesn't look green. Now that you done mixed it up, put the fork down. Okay. Now, the flour goes into the bowl. Might want to do more than what you put in for the lotion, because if you don't, it's gonna fail. And you see, I'm putting it back and forth because the flour ain't coming out. Okay, oh, you want the camera. Okay. Now, you should have this. Now, mix it around. Okay, sorry about that silence. Concentrate on what you're doing. If it's too much, if you think it's too much, then add a little bit more. I'm going to add a little bit more green dye. You don't got to if you don't want to. If you put in perfectly enough, then don't mess with it. Okay. Green dye. And put some drops in there. Okay, let's mix this in. Alright. Now, for me, I put in a little bit too much, but I don't think that's okay. But now we gotta add the baby oil. What the? Okay. There we go. Now spray some in there, so that the content can get sticky. So whatever's in your bowl is about to get sticky. It's gonna form together. There it is. Oh yeah. Okay. And it should stick to your bowl nice. If you think you need a little bit more oil, then you can do that. I'm gonna add a little bit more baby oil. Okay, so that the contents will stick on your mixer. Okay, now I'm mixing it. Now you see it's formed together. It kind of looks ugly. Well, it looks ugly for a reason, because you're mixing. If yours look ugly, that's perfect. Now, it should look like that. Now, you can play. Oh, okay. Okay, you guys, okay. Now, you can see my hands, they are very oily. Over hands. Okay. Now, when you use baby oil, you gotta like try to form it together, and that's what I did. So, yeah. This is what it looks like now. It's kind of oily. That's why you're gonna put it in the refrigerator so it cool down. Probably about like, I think an hour or 50 minutes. So I'm gonna do that, and I'll come back to you in a few seconds. Okay, you guys. I'm sitting in my bed waiting on the clay, aka Play-Doh, to get done. I got in trouble for using pancake mix, but I didn't see any other flour, so I used that. But guys, I am doing this for you. So guys, sorry to disturb you. You know you want to see the clay. So I'll see you guys when the clay is over. Okay, you guys. So I'm gonna check on the I was about to say slime, but it's clay, the aka Play-Doh. And when I took it out the freezer, I got two of them because I did one before I even did the start. Like when I did the green one, I have a pink one and a green. Okay. Take that out. I didn't have any more dye besides purple, etc. Take this out. But when you play with it, it's kind of oily. So this is what it looks like now. Play with it a little bit. You can morph it. It's kind of like sand. Okay. And this one is kind of wet. Like I said, I've been playing with it. Yeah, this one's kind of more definitely wet. So when you play with it, crap, it's hard to play with one hand and I'm recording it, so yeah, you can play with it, etc. So, oh crap. Anyway guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you leave a like, subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Single Hadouken!